Oh,
God.
holy
One close.
ammo. Oh, scrap him. Big boy. Solo gaff. Solo gaff. Yeah, you see that. What's up, guys? Yessah Fishing. It's about like 11:30 at night. Last minute fishing sesh. Try to catch the sunrise bite, but since I just got to the spot, might as well do a few drops, huh? Oh, good thing I don't check my feet. This big bug over here. Centipede. I would smash the crap out of that thing. Got a 60-gram Daiwa jig. See if we can catch some Kahala with this. Yeah, I was out there, guys. Range him. Small. Oh, it's on the rock. Ah. Hungry, Aholehole. Oh, no wonder.
Yeah, sideways.
That's why. Holy.
Yeah. You...
Oh, stalk him.
You wanna put him in a live bait or?
Yeah, shoot.
Hey.
Catch him. Trade him in for an lure.
Buddy. Good luck.
Catch and cook is lowering the bait bucket. See if we can get something on this pole right here. Who knows?
You never know.
Oh, bro, how's this Hawaiian? Look him. Holy shit. Well, guys, piss off because I'm kill his brother. Oh shit. Bro, they're fast. Bro. Zap. Yeah. Second drop on again. I was just gonna winch him in. Oh, look at his mouth. Look him. Good thing I was easing this thing in.
Oh, those are.
Oi, what happened?
What the?
Whole tree.
Bro, what the? Look at the flash bomb.
Bro,
I don't think that ever happened.
Why this bug gonna eat the flash bomb? This is full on swallow. Yeah, we're gonna go get. Holy shit. Good morning. Cool's up. Not sleep all night, that guy. First cast. Let's go. Alright, good morning, guys. Time to get this plugging underway. This is the Aholehole she bite. So we got them set up just like this, and we got the Aholehole. It's just hanging at the top of the surface right there. Look at that. Oh. All right.
Hey, Dad. Uh-oh. And you twist the wrapping. You see the twisty wrap, and then you come back and you hook, and then you hook.
That's all.
Ready, babe? No.
There's Daily over here. That's it. Brian. Hello. Oh, that's far. What's that, 120 grams? like a 4 ounce or something. So I think I gotta go send Sky out, I think. Yeah.
I was hiding it from Ryan. I didn't know if Ryan seen it. That's why.
I could send some from over there.
Oh.
I'm like, bro, I better come back. on the flag?
You're on the back.
Oh yeah, so look at that action.
Look at that. Oh, baby, she wants it.
Oh, look the eyeball.
Oh, blood on fire now.
No, that was from
Third drop. 10 minutes. Let's go. Oh, yes, got him, guys. Oh, big boy. Oh, this is Kahala guaranteed. Oh. Oh. Oh, oh. Okay. Oh, oh, look him, look him, look him, look him. Look him, look him. We got a bottom runner, guys. Oh, Kahala. Hi guys. Solo Gaff. Solo Gaff. I get him. I get him, guys. I get him. I get him. Yes, sir. Yeah! Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Holy sh**. Oh. Oh. Right on. Ooh. Freaking awesome. Awesome scrap guy. Awesome. Yes, sir. Phoenix rods, baby. Yay! Woo. My first solo gaff. First solo gaff. Yay! So this is a 6.0 live bait hook. I think the brand is Eagle Claw. 420 pound assist hook. This is a 100-gram jig. And let's weigh this bad boy. Okay, we got a 10-pounder right here. Nice 10-pounder. Nice. Yes, blessed, stoked, happy. Time to go home. Aircraft warming up. Here, brother CJ. Yessah warming up. Warming up. CJ's birthday was several days ago. We're gonna check him out on birthday fish. Yes. We're here live at the zone, and it's windy as f. Oh yeah. We're retrieving, guys. Let's go. Fat slabs of ribeye. Of me and Uncle CJ. Alright, second drop. CJ is retrieving a 7-minute dropped jig. And I'm doing the same with mine. Oh, you're on. CJ is on. Wow. Oh, you're on. Holy sh. Oh, screaming.
I was messing around.
Holy sh. Oh, bro. Holy. Dude.
Get some weight, bro. Get some weight.
Get some weight. Big Kahala, probably. Big Kahala. Holy sh. You bent this guy was. Screaming. Oh, bro, I better bring mine in already. Oh no. Oh, it came off. Oh, he's still on. Holy. I don't know, a sheepy maybe, nah?
I'm just dragging him now. Not like circus.
Yeah, he gave up already.
Moano or something, but
Saw my Kahala was. Bugger gave up 100 yards. Yeah, he's like right there. Yeah. So.
Back here up.
Yeah. Yeah, you're good, you're good.
No way. He's what, right? He's in front.
Yeah, he's in front. Okay. Get him. Yeah. Okay.
Oh. Right, right again. Oh, bro.
Oh, sh. Crank. Crank him. Yeah. Right there. Going. It's right where that ledge there. Yeah.
Pull him up, yeah?
Yeah, you're fine. Right there. Oh! One Ono! One Ono!
Okay. Slowly.
Holy sh.
Easy, bro, easy.
Yeah.
I'm trying to pull him up, yeah, but he's fighting.
Oh, yeah.
He's fighting.
Oh, okay, right there.
Oh, the f***ing Ono, bro.
That's an Ono.
Yeah, let me get the help. Let me get the help a little bit.
Yeah.
Get the f***, bro.
I get him. I get him. Holy sh. Oh, wait.
In the ledge.
Oh! Okay.
He's on.
Oh, good.
He's on. I'm ready to sit down, bro.
Oh, fuck. Holy sh. Am I on?
You're on, but yeah, step forward, but yeah, feel that ledge.
Oh, I just
Let me go forward.
slippery, bro.
Yeah, I got you. Push. Just keep it tight.
I just need that rope.
Yeah. Fuck, man.
And yeah, if you can put that rope over, I can pull him up. Oh yeah. Okay, I get him. Yeah. Holy sh. Yeah, okay, I get him.
You got
Yeah, I get him. Okay, yeah.
Go.
Okay. I get him. I just stuck it, so I buy Holy fuck. Your lines stay over there. Holy. Bruh. Yeah, you see that. You did it. Holy shit.
Got the fish, bro.
Oh. How's this? Oh. Holy.
Good go, bro.
Yes, sir. Holy sh. Holy f. Oh, no. Soon I seen that stripes, I was like, whoa, whoa. Sick. Oh. Let's get. I'm gonna get the gaff off of them.
Yeah.
Bring them more far in. To slide down. Bruh.
Homemade
Jig, bruh.
Yes,
Holy
$1.50.
shit. $1.50.
Oh, the line's not even free, that's why.
Yeah, the line not frayed at all.
So I think I did the Yessah Fishing Special right in the one puka, number T.
Holy shit.
This is how you felt with how yours power. Yeah, like.
Yeah.
Oh,
Hi, baby. Bruh.
Jerk. Oh, it's on the vertical, bro. It's on the vertical.
On the vertical,
So
huh?
yeah.
Because how you were popping the jig.
I was going down, like, it's tiring, so get some distance. Wait, it just took off, bro. I think some weight,
Bruh.
bro.
I look pretty big.
Maybe a 25 to 30 pounder, bro.
I think it might be 25, 30.
30 max, but still, like.
Holy shit! Yeah!
I can't hold him.
Yes, perfect. Okay.
Big baby one.
I don't know. That might be just as big as mine, I think.
Nah, yours is bigger, yours is taller.
Oh.
I think it's some weight, though. Yes,
Birthday, All right, moment of truth. We're gonna see how heavy this bugger. Okay. Oh, you're gonna have to turn the fish a little bit.
With my hands there.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna go.
Okay, we're gonna have to angle the fish this way. Okay, get him.
Can I move my fingers?
Yeah. Okay, remove him. Perfect. Yeah, he let him go. Holy shit. Holy.
28, 30, yeah. Yeah, 28. Yeah, twos? No, one. That's 28, 29, 30. 30.
30 pounder. We got ourselves a 30 pounder, guys.
Oh, wait, the tail's touchy. Hold on. Yes,
That's a 30 pounder. Oh no, holy shit. Yes, sir. Alright, CJ back out there again. The drop after his Ono. Come on, guys. Something small. Live bait. Live bait. Sick. Yeah. Bro, he's on. He's on. Holy shit. Thought he was stuck again. Oh, wow. Holy shit. Oh, rockfish.
bro, this is a PB, bro.
Wow. Fish.
Oh, wait, hold him up.
Put him up. Oh.
Oh, bro.
Holy
shit. Put him close.
Hammer.
I almost broke up the corridor.
Rockfish, dude. Catch and release. Oh, CJ is on, guys. CJ is on. Hell yeah. Oh, you far, bro. CJ hooked up this guy so far. I swear, like 700 yards. Dropped him in his mouth. Oh, black
one, huh?
black pupil?
Hey,
Hey, you get the black pupil?
hey. That's my back view.
Nice.
I didn't work too hard, bro. Too hard.
Black pupil.
Black would be
700 yards away.
not worth it.
Yeah.
Hey, Jake. So small.
Alright, switch it up. We got the JusCrank jig. It's a 3 ounce. And then we got a assist hook made by Kamuela flies. Let's get lucky. I think so. Yep. Oh, yeah, ledge. No. Yeah. What is this?
Is it fishing Moano?
I think so.
Oh, it's not that size. Nice one.
Yes. Wow. On the JusCrank jig. Kamuela flies assist hook. Sick. Oh, gonna get some weight this one. Kick the boy.
Oh, big one, bro, big one.
I'm on, dude. I'm far, bro. Yeah, I get him. Oh, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Dude. Trying to get this fish out. You're on, bro. Yep, probably the same fish. Yeah, you gotta crank this. Crank them. Definitely schooling. Yeah. Been there. Oh, you want? Oh, scrapper. Scrap them. Big boy. Big boy. Big boy. Oh, Milu. Guarantee. Guarantee. I'm almost in. No, let him get to that ledge. Homemade jigs, bro. Homemade jigs. Get him. On the ledge. Okay, okay.
Oh, that's a big one, Milo, small Kahala. It's a weight, bro.
I'm curious.
What?
No.